Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, today is the weekly security update that has arrived for Google Chrome. So the Google Chrome browser, and like every software on your PC, needs to be updated to fix security flaws. This is the number one way to stay safe, actually. And so go to your Google Chrome browser. On the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome. And you will be sent to version 130.0.6723.116 or 117, depending on Linux, Mac, or PC. So what does this fix? Fix 2 high severity security flaws. So this is very important to do so. One is free. It's called free after family, something like that, which is, I don't know exactly what that does or where it actually has that flaw. Maybe something that has to do with profiles or some way of sharing the browser. And of course, there's another flaw this week. It's interesting, and first week in a long time that there's no security flaw. The V8 scripting engine, which is always attacked most of the time. So high severity means that it's not critical, it's not exploded in the wall, or not a 0-day. Bad guys still don't know about them. Security researchers have found it. And that, of course, high severity means that it's quite easy to exploit once you know how to do it. And usually it's by simply having a malformed web page with just the correct code that makes the browser crash where the security flaws are. So update, and of course if you have a Chromium based browser like Edge, like Vivaldi, like Brave, and so on, it will be important to also update, as you will receive the security fixes also this week at some point. And so it will be important to check out your browsers. So check it out. Security update is available for Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.